Okay, this is a challenging one. Maybe not so challenging actually. We'll soon find out. See if we can make it look any good. This user interface is a pain. All right, let's see what we have. We have here, it is an Australian, Sydney, Australia fridge magnet and ring and can opener, bottle opener should I say. You see the magnets on the back. One looks like it's actually missing. I don't know why. Anyway, we're photocopying this. This will probably be put on my fridge at some stage. I'm just going to have to get it off the glass a little bit to line it up. Try and line it up nice and straight. Okay, out it comes. Yeah, that looks really quite nice. That looks really nice. I think we got that nicely done. So this one's not going to be too difficult. A little bit of a gap at the edge there, it looks like, but we won't fuss with that. I think we got that lined up just right. Alright, out it comes. It's our second piece of our demo. This is our fridge magnet. Fridge magnets here I associate with Australian culture, although I'm pretty sure the Americans or the English or New Zealanders would probably have fridge magnets, other Anglophone countries. I don't know much about the rest of the world. Alright, let's get this one out. So we just take these and put them together to make our Aussie. It would have been made in China, incidentally. I think almost all souvenirs are made in China. You know, you can't get made in Australia anymore when it comes to souvenirs or anything much for that matter. Most stuff is made in China because the labour is cheap. And therefore, you know, they can make a huge profit on what they sell. Really silly, but that looks really quite nice. I think now we can call this demo quits.